Today we're going to learn how to subtract mixed numbers with regrouping. So let's start with 5 1/2 minus 2 3/4. Now right away we don't know that if we're going to have to regroup or not. The first thing we need to do is find our common denominators. So I'm noticing that 2 and 4 are unlike denominators. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my new denominators over on the side. I'll move over my whole numbers like we know to do, and I'll get ready. I know that the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, so I'll go ahead and get that ready. Now I know that I have to be fair to fractions. How did I get from 2 to 4? Well, I multiplied by 2. If I'm being fair to fractions, I'll multiply the numerator by 2. How did I get from 4 to 4? I multiplied by 1. Be fair to fractions, 3 times 1 is 3. Now I can see that I cannot do 2/4 minus 3/4. So I'm going to have to do some regrouping. Let's look at how this would look with a model. The first thing I want to model is 5 2/4, since that's my starting number. I'm going to draw my 5 wholes. But I don't only have 5 wholes, I also have 2/4 of another whole. So I'll draw another whole and split it into fourths. Now I'm going to shade in what I actually have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes, and 1, 2/4. I didn't color the bottom of those because I only have 2/4. Now I'm ready to do some subtracting. Well, I noticed that I could go ahead and take away 2 wholes, but I can't take away 3/4. In order to take away 3/4, I need to split apart one of my wholes. Since I'm working with a denominator of 4 already, I can split one of my wholes into another group of fourths. So now this whole has become 4/4. So I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 wholes, and 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4 altogether. So I've just traded my 5 2/4 to be 4 wholes and 6/4. I took 1 away from this and added 4/4 plus 2/4 to get my 6/4. Now I can take away the 3/4 that I need. Here's 1/4 gone, 2/4 gone, 3/4 gone. Check. Now let's take away our wholes. 1 whole, 2 whole. Check. Let's count what's left. I have 1, 2 wholes, and 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 left over. So the difference of 5 2/4 and 2 3/4 is 2 3/4. And that's how we regroup.